Are you tired of bumping up against your income ceiling, the max you've ever made in your entire life? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to punch through that income ceiling, how to pop through it and raise the roof, create a higher ceiling for yourself. My name is Desiree Mangendog. I'm an acupuncturist, herbalist, and essential oil expert, and I specialize in energetic and emotional release work. So if you love this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe so that you are notified when a new video is up every Tuesday. Who am I to be talking on this subject? I have been able to increase my income, actually double my income every year for the past 7 years. And this was coming from a background of not being able to make more than $2,000 a month most of my adult life. And that would be a very big month, actually. I was averaging maybe $1,400 a month. And through the use of essential oils and understanding the nature of energy and how it needs to move and how it needs to flow within our bodies, utilizing Chinese medicine principles, I've been able to break through my income ceilings year after year. I have a really great line for you. You don't get your goals, you get your standards. You don't get your goals, you get your standards. So what you tolerate are your standards. And are you satisfied with it? Are you satisfied with the insurmountable debt or the constant freaking out month after month, the constant just getting by experience? Is that good enough for you? So let's go over the 3 steps to help you begin the process of breaking that ceiling, breaking your low standards that you've had for yourself. If you're satisfied with your standards, then you don't need to listen to this. But if you'd like to up-level your standards, then I recommend taking note. So first step, we need to identify the things that you tolerate. What have you been tolerating in your financial life? Have you been tolerating the debt? Have you been tolerating the high expenses? Have you been tolerating where you live and you're not actually satisfied with where you live because you want something nicer or better? Have you been tolerating poor spending habits? Have you been tolerating just low quality items in your life instead of, buying a bunch of pieces of junk that break really soon versus getting one thing that's gonna last you a very long time? Write out all the things that you have just been dealing with, essentially, and you've been dealing with for a while, and you know what? You're done dealing with it. You're done dealing with it. You're tired of dealing with it. Now, you actually have to be tired of dealing with it, okay? That's the thing. If you are not upset about your situation, doesn't mean you're not grateful. You can be grateful for what you have. But if you're not dissatisfied with what you are experiencing right now, then you're not really going to have much of a push or a drive to improve your conditions. And there is nothing wrong. There's nothing to be ashamed about for wanting to improve your conditions. You can be grateful and desire to grow. Got it? You can be grateful and desire to grow. So it's okay to have some level of dissatisfaction. It's important if you want to evolve. Step 2 is to write out what is your financial upgrade. Not anybody else's upgrades, not what other people say is a good standard to have. No, what is an upgrade for you? I mean, honestly, even a little upgrade is a big deal. So maybe it is actually having a little bit of extra at the end of the month for you. Maybe 10% extra that you can save would be a massive upgrade. Maybe it's changing where you live. I remember for myself, I always had this ceiling of not allowing myself to live in beautiful places. And I ended up living in apartments, which I don't like living in apartments. For years, I lived in apartments because I couldn't decide where I wanted to stay en route. And I just live in like what I considered kind of dumpy places. And even though I was doing well financially, I didn't allow myself to utilize that income to upgrade my lifestyle, my living situation. And I finally got a home instead of an apartment when I moved to Texas and did a massive upgrade. And oh my goodness, there is no way I am going back the other way, because that has changed everything, all right? Even though it was a little bit more, a percentage more than what I would normally pay to live in a house, what ended up happening is that it up-leveled everything in my life. So there are prosperous purchases that also need to be made. Those upgrades are not just frivolous sometimes, okay? We don't want any frivolous spending. They're important healing spending that help you to really receive your worthiness. Now, after you've written out step 1 and step 2, and please set aside maybe 10-15 minutes to do so. 10 minutes should be sufficient. And after you do that, we are going to punch through that ceiling. Okay, we're gonna punch through it with some essential oils. And I'm gonna teach you 3 very simple oils that you can diffuse in your home. So this will be pop that ceiling, punch that ceiling, however you wanna call it. but to break through your ceiling, we are going to utilize ginger, lemongrass, and eucalyptus. Okay, so do 2 drops each in your diffuser: ginger, lemongrass, and eucalyptus. Ginger puts that fire in your belly and makes you raise your standards. It gives you that conviction to be like, you know what? This isn't good enough for me anymore. This is unacceptable. And then lemongrass helps you to break it, okay? So ginger gives you the power and the desire to raise the ceiling, raise the roof, all right? And then the lemongrass does the physical activity of actually breaking through the current ceiling and creating that new one. And then you have eucalyptus to really integrate and to harmonize at the end. That's more of helping the ginger and the lemongrass do its job. So diffuse those 2 drops each in the diffuser, and I'd probably say about 5 days. Do a good 5-day run of this all day, every day for 5 days. And if you're ready to dig deeper into your money condition, up-level your money life in general, do a deep dive with me. Join me at the next I Am Magnetic workshop, which is taking place April 22nd, 2021, very soon now, and it will take place at 5 p.m. Pacific, also 8 p.m. Eastern, this coming Thursday, April 22nd. I look forward to seeing you there. And if you would like to snag a few more free blends, make sure to click down in the description below to get my 3 most popular blends from the I Am Fabulous book right in your inbox. If you loved this content, make sure to like and subscribe so that you are getting the information you need to upgrade your emotional well-being. And we've got a couple of other videos that are great follow-ups to this one. The first one being a money equation that you must know, and 3 phrases about money you should never ever say. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.